station while we're halfway through. We got LNC Corn Drain 12 coming eastbound. Past Knox Station Farm, LNC Mainline, Chester, South Carolina. And that was LNC Corn Train 12 heading eastbound past Knox Station Farm, LNC Mainline, Chester, South Carolina. Thank y'all very much for watching, and God bless. I actually cut the train in half back at the Chester Y, because they have to take, this train's so long and heavy. If you try to take it in one cut, they wouldn't make it up Richburg Hill, because it's like the steepest grade down here in the southeast or whatever. So these heavy corn trains, they have to cut them in half, and they'll take this first half to the circle that's female, put it up, and then come back to Chester and grab the other half and take it. Anyway, this is the first half being moved now. I doubt I'll chase the second half run, because pretty much the same old spots. There's not a lot of access between here and Richburg to the main line. Anyway, thank y'all again for much for watching, and God bless.